I've just moved into this flat and it looks like this. We are going to start with this room, as this is going to be my office space and children room. As some of you may know that I run a true crime channel, storytelling, which is called True Crime with Faz. So we're going to start by making a working space where I can record the content. So in today's episode, we will start by creating the office space and setting up the recording area. So we need to put this chair together. Before we build anything, we need to start by clearing all this stuff out so we can put the office right there. This is what I'm thinking. So let's start with that. We will start by assembling the chair, and if you can see this bag there, this is the screws. So what I always do is when I'm moving, I put the screws in a bag and tie it with the thing it belongs to. Does two things. You don't lose the screws and you know which screws is for what. So let's quickly build it. I'll be using the power tools. We've got the screws. We will put the printer here. My working system is really simple, so it doesn't require much space, as my background stays normal, neutral, and my setup is very simple as well. So let me show you. We pretty much only need this table. And then I've got this Focusrite system. Let's set this up. We'll sort the mic position out later. And then this is where my computer goes, like this. I will need to sort these wires out. We'll do that later. But here's my studio is ready for work. Very simple way. So it's all done. If you guys do like true crime stories, follow me on YouTube. My channel is True Crime with Faz, and see you, some of you there. If you enjoy true crime, do give me a follow and wait for the episode 2 where we will turn this room into nice.